Tired of missing important meeting details because you're struggling to join them in Microsoft Teams? Let's walk through the simple steps of joining those crucial online meetings in Microsoft Teams, all using your work email, so you'll never miss out. First, keep an eye on your work email inbox for a meeting invite from the organizer. The subject line will usually include the meeting title and the phrase Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you've located the email, open it, and you'll see a prominent button labeled Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Click on this button to start the joining process. Clicking the button will either launch the Microsoft Teams application if you have it installed, or it will open the meeting in your web browser if you are asked. Choose to open the link in your Teams app for the best experience. Now, you'll be taken to a pre-join screen where you can adjust your audio and video settings here. You can choose whether to enable your camera and microphone before entering the meeting. Make sure your preferred microphone and camera are selected from the drop-down menus. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Join Now button. And that's it. You're now in the meeting, ready to collaborate. You can use the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen to mute or unmute yourself, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, and access other features like the chat window and participant list. Now you're ready to participate effectively in your Teams meetings using your work email.